Okay, today I'm recording again because I had some special things today. I got actually quite few grams because I was in my new account now, not my sister's again, which is why I am playing very happy today. Very happy. Great, can't even type photos. That's right, I found my name tag. Zaps AJ. If you want to be my buddy, as I told you before, just tell me your username or let me visit your den. Yeah, if you want autos, just send me some jams, as you can see here. Right there, send me some jams. That will be awesome. And also support Gen Phantom. No thank you, I don't have a Phantom. Anyways, what we're gonna do today is just checking out some fans right here. These are my fans. Some of my buddies. Not much, 13 only. This person, she's gonna be in a shout out because I was very proud having someone that actually supported me. I was asking who support me. Most I like to see who supports great, and this person supports great, which why she deserves to be in my video. So let's go to her then. OMG lol, let's get back out. Oh. Okay, anyways. She has no time right now, so let's see what we else can do. I got some new items. These two, yes. I put some items on my trade list because why not? Because we're gonna give her a fancy box. Sorry. Because we're just ourselves and we don't not stop being ourselves. To a funky dance just because I want to. Okay, anyways. I also have some codes which I will preview right now. The first code is riddle this. Gosh. That's right, that's the code. Now tap continue and your gift will be the Phantom Secret Book. Yeah, go ahead and keep that. And then it says Zaps AJ has gifts waiting in Animal Jam Play Wild. Log into Play Wild with this account to get all your cool items. Isn't that just amazing that my character has a flip and go? Okay, next is let's see. Time to jam. Okay, I think it's the right way to type it. Is it? Oh yes it is. Let's wait a sec. There you go, I'm at. Okay. You get 750 gems. Isn't that amazing, huh? Okay. Okay, that was a pretty nice code. More will come on my other videos as well. Let's see. I don't know which, pause for friends. I think that's the right one. Oh, sorry, I typed friends wrong. Friends, there you go. I think that pause for friends. Yes, that's also this one. Okay, you get Reader's Lamp. Isn't that amazing code? You got a Bromo gift. It's a Bromo. Okay, a second. Okay. Let's see how we got our awesome items. Whoa, super camera. Alright, there we go. And why did I just do that? Great, now I have to get all back in. Gosh, these are the 2 items. Very snazzy. I know, right? It's totally snazzy. Let's just do that thing over there in that book on the table, because this is real business. Yeah. Maybe we can do some more parties too. Ooh, the haunted party! I want to go to the haunted party because I really want to see what the. Oh, that's where I got that. That flipping thing, and wow, I'm rich. Okay, I'm not dead. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.